severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Maury County in Middle Tennessee, Central Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Thompson Station, or 12 miles north of Columbia, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Brentwood, Spring Hill, Thompson Station, and Leapers Fork. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National